DJI is best known for its drones, but it also makes a line of gimbal cameras called the Osmo. Now, it is just announced the Osmo Pocket. It is the smallest camera I've seen on a 3-axis gimbal. It shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second and can shoot in full HD at 120 frames per second for slow motion video. Now that's all like the basic spec stuff, but what's really remarkable about this camera is its size. It is small. It's a little bit bigger than a USB drive and smaller than a hot dog. So somewhere in there is the size of this camera. And most of it is actually just a battery and a screen and the controls. The camera itself is pretty much the size of a quarter. So you're talking very small camera here. So it is indeed pocket size. You can just take it out and it turns on in just a few seconds and it's ready to go. It just stabilizes and you're ready to shoot. Slide up and you got follow mode, which is a standard one where the camera stays level no matter what you do. There's a tilt lock mode that keeps the camera locked in place, and then if you tilt it down, it stays locked on that one position. And then there's a new FPV mode, which is a first-person view mode that gives the camera some roll when you're moving. So having this little screen on the camera itself is great. It's a touchscreen, so you can get to almost all of the functions in the camera. But if you want a bigger experience, you can connect an iPhone or an Android phone up to the camera itself. Flip around this little adapter on front. It comes in either Lightning or USB-C, and you can just connect your phone directly to the camera and you're ready to shoot with a bigger view of what you're shooting and other capabilities like switching all of the camera modes, so you can access all the shot modes on the side here and change all kinds of settings. And then there's even an on-screen joystick that lets you tilt the camera head wherever you want to get it so you can get just the shot you want. One of the big features the Osmo Pocket has is a new story mode where you can just tap and create really short clips and stitch them all together automatically so you can share them on social. You are getting a lot of camera in a little package, and it doesn't have a big scary price. It's $350 US, and it'll be available in mid-December, but it's available for pre-order now.